Right, here we go. This bloody Hyundai Getz stereo is playing up, and I just have basic tools and I need to take this out. So I got this that I'm going to use on one end, and then on the other end I have a flathead screwdriver. So I'm going to pinch it from here and pull it out, even though because I'm holding the phone by myself. I have loosened both ends before I started making the video, so sorry about that, but at least you get an idea. This is a pain to take it out, to be honest with you. Now we need to look at the code for it. Right, so in this case my code is 1062. So 1062, I'll have to add 1010 to that, and whatever the thing would be, so that would be 2 6 0 or 2 7 2072. Okay, let's try that one on. And you press okay. Now, no, oops, screwed it. Okay, I know, so I need to take it to 0. So the first two, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, you can select it from there to change the numbers, and we have to make it 2 0 7. So number 3 would be the third digit, 7, and then that would be 0. See if that would be accepted. Not to sure words for entering.